Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. I see already some cooked food.
Yeah. You'll be thinking, what is this? All cooked foods are ready and what she's going to do. But some days in the festival function, someone comes, anything will remain. Little rasam, little curry, little sambar, everything. What to do to that? You have to mix everything together. Erucha Kuzhumbu.
Very interesting.
How the name came. In our olden days, my grandmother,
Okay.
my father, they all do that. In the house. In the charcoal store, kumiti I told no, they keep it. That is all remaining, we'll mix it.
Okay.
Nowadays also in other Coimbatore, in everyone, after Pongal, they will do this.
Okay.
All mix the remaining and with one onion. If you want, you can put onion or even without onion also you can do.
Okay.
It will be very tasty.
Super.
You can mix with rice and gingily oil. The taste will be awesome.
Oh, so
And also with curd rice, dosa. It will be very like a side dish it is.
Okay.
So don't worry if I something all are remaining but it will not be enough means instead of sambar you can make like a tokku.
Okay.
Another name like tokku also you can do.
Okay.
We call it as Erucha Kuzhumbu.
Erucha
I don't know why the
Kuzhumbu.
name. Maybe Erucha Kuzhumbu remaining Kuzhumbu we are making like that I think.
Okay. So what?
Erucha means remaining.
Okay.
We'll throw
Huh.
it.
Okay.
Without throwing we are using this.
Cool. We'll see what all is there.
See now I got little that vetta Kuzhumbu.
Okay.
I will show you. Little tomato chutney, little rasam.
Okay.
Now I am going to mix all the three. For this what you have to do is one onion.
Okay.
You have to cut it.
Okay. Okay.
Then the one mustard seeds.
Okay.
As usual to temper. Then little already there is ASAFOETIDA in this. If you put more, it will be nice taste.
Okay.
And just gingily oil, just to cook it. These are the simple ingredients. Just without onion also you can do. And little jaggery.
Jaggery.
Jaggery is the main. No, in the last we have to add this when we are going to cook and we are going to switch off the stove before 10 minutes. We have to add 2 teaspoons jaggery.
Okay, fine.
This will be very awesome.
Okay, super.
So, we start
Okay.
4 to 5 teaspoons oil. Okay. Now we have poured everything. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Bring to a thick consistency. What all oil we pour will come out.
Okay.
Like an alwa consistency.
Okay, let's
And
wait.
the last thing you can put the jaggery.
Okay.
Last consistency, oil has come out.
Correct.
So now you switch off the stove and it. So this is the remaining all the ingredients we have made it.
Very
Very
interesting.
interesting, and you cannot waste also.
Correct.
You're not worried about the waste eatables and all.
And please
You can
don't
do
tell
like
your
this.
children that we are doing this.
Children also can eat. You don't tell children that it's remaining.
Exactly.
Very new. And you can eat it very good, nice, tasty and nice.
Okay,
Made with
great.
Rice, curd rice and with rice would be very nice.
Superb.
Enjoy it.
Superb. Thank
So,
you.
Main worry of the remaining is over now.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.